Hi everybody, Michelle Vassallo from Rhythm Massage Development and Education. Today I'm going to be continuing my little series that I've been putting together, Be the Best Massage Therapist or Body Worker That You Can Be. And today's tip is number 9 in a series of 10. It's something that we also don't really teach or talk about in the teaching space, but it is something that every single massage therapist and body worker needs, and that is another professional to talk to. So another massage therapist that you can call up at the end of the day or the end of the week and say, hey, this is what happened this week in my massage room. Massage is a lonely profession. It doesn't matter how many times I say this in the classroom, people always look surprised when I bring it up. However, anybody who's watching this that's been a massage therapist for quite a while will know that massage can be a very isolating career choice. And for those of you that are new to the massage space, you'll probably soon find out that it is a little bit lonely and isolating being in that clinic room, treating a client or trying to test a client for what you think may be going on, nailing down the differentials, trying to work out what treatment protocol is going to be the best and get the best results for your client, and then proceeding to use that treatment protocol, retest, find the results, see if things have worked, see if things haven't. And it's a lot of responsibility, and it's a big responsibility for us as body workers if we want to take it seriously and maintain a loyal client base. So the reality is, having another professional that you can trust, maybe someone you've trained with, or maybe another massage therapist that you've met at a conference or in the classroom somewhere, is an absolutely vital element in being the best therapist that you can be. Human beings need each other to be happy and healthy, and the profession or the career of massage therapy is no exception. You have to have somebody to talk to. And so my tip is to reach out to other massage therapists. Reach out to that person in the classroom that you had the connection with. Reach out if you're in massage school to make the connections with the other students and get to know them well enough to know that you'll be able to call them up once you're all working and to just have a chat. You can maintain client confidentiality. There's no need for names or anything that's personal, but absolutely sharing some kind of finding that you've had in the massage room with another massage professional can not only help to ease the burden of feeling alone, but it can also provide new ideas and fresh insight into what you've been trying to nut out. So don't be alone. Have somebody, a massage buddy or a massage friend or a bodywork professional that you can call up just to talk shop, to shoot the breeze, to offload, to debrief, because the reality is that even though you're calling them and they're doing you a favor, I bet you anything that they're going to be appreciating you as much as you appreciate them. So that is my number 9 top tip. Don't be alone, have a friend to call, and make sure that someone that you can trust, that you can talk about this work with, because it's really important to share. Okay, so if you haven't already jumped over to my website, head over to rhythmmassage.com.au, have a look around, sign up, create a password, because then you'll always be able to receive the newsletters that I send out around once a month. And in those new newsletters are some of the things that I don't upload to the Facebook page. So different kind of discounts, different news about courses, new releases, all sorts of things that I think about. So in the meantime, take care out there. Enjoy what you do and be the best therapist that you can be. It's worth it, not only for building and keeping a loyal client base, but for making you happy and healthy in the profession that you've chosen to excel at. It's over and out from me. Bye everybody.